Hello everyone, Dan Henry here in the Forewarned Weather Center. A wild 24 hours in weather here across North Texas, and it's likely to continue here. More rain on the way that could very well produce some more flash flooding, and falling temperatures tonight will raise the concern perhaps of some freezing rain out west and northwest of the Metroplex. For tonight, a 90% chance of rain and thunderstorms continuing. We'll continue that 90% chance on Wednesday, an 80% chance on Thursday. Now, we could catch a little break from the rain during the morning hours, but I expect a renewed threat of heavy rain during the afternoon, and a 70% chance on Friday. Here is a look at roughly where we anticipate the possibility of some freezing rain later on tonight into the overnight areas west and northwest of the Metroplex. Road surface is still pretty warm, and so it's not going to be until late tonight, I think, till we see potentially some problems develop with some icy spots on some elevated roads, and that could continue to be an issue into tomorrow morning with temperatures in those areas hovering in the low 30s. Just cold rain here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, only 37 tomorrow. A modest warm-up on Thursday, 45. 57 Friday. Our last good chance of rain Saturday, 67. And finally drying out on Sunday.